Hey, to pair Sony WF-1000XM5 with any iPhone or iPad, first of all you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, and then you will have to rotate this case and find this back button. You will have to click and hold this back button until this indicator starts blinking blue. So it will take around a few moments, but as you can see in my case, for some reason it disappeared. If you have the same issue, close this case for a few moments, open it, and just repeat. So click and hold this back button, wait for the blue light at the top of the case, and now release when it starts blinking. Keep that case open, do not take your earbuds from the case. Now just go straight to the settings, open Bluetooth settings, and then turn it on by clicking on the switcher. Now you will have to select your Sony WF-1000XM5. There we go. And now we are successfully connected to the iPhone, but also you can connect these headphones into the application. And the application you will be able to actually find in the App Store by clicking on the search in the right bottom corner. You can actually input this phrase, Sony headphones. So this is actually the application that we have to download, the Sony headphones, and we have to click get. Of course, you have to be connected to the Apple ID because without this you will be not able to download any application. And once you actually download this app on your iPhone or iPad, you can just simply open it, and you will actually be able to to complete some base steps. You will be like automatically connected when you open this application because we previously connect this earbud to the Bluetooth settings. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.